Freezing and Aizu-style horse sashimi.
Freezing techniques for horse sashimi must deal with two linked issues: food safety and water loss. In Japan, raw horse meat can contain the protozoan Sarcocystis fayeri, which may cause food poisoning in humans. The Tokyo Metropolitan Government explains that horse meat for raw use should be frozen so that the core temperature stays at -20 degrees Celsius or lower for at least 48 hours. Under these conditions, the parasite can be inactivated. However, such freezing is hard on the meat itself. As crystals grow inside muscle fibers, they damage the tissue structure, and red liquid, or drip, tends to escape when the meat is thawed. According to Japanese food composition tables, 100 grams of lean raw horse meat contain about 76 grams of water and only around 2 to 3 grams of fat. In other words, the meat is lean and moist rather than fatty, so any loss of water after thawing directly changes how thin slices feel in the mouth. Aizu-style horse sashimi in Fukushima illustrates how one region has turned this lean meat into a local dish. The Ministry of Agriculture, Forestry, and Fisheries points out that horse meat spread in Fukushima around the time of the Boshin War, and Aizu Wakamatsu City and Aizu Bangay Town are now known as main areas of this tradition. Aizu Wakamatsu is far from the sea, so fresh seafood was historically hard to obtain, and horse sashimi took on a role similar to that of fish sashimi. The usual way of eating it there is to dip the red meat into soy sauce mixed with spicy mustard miso. Local descriptions also note that Aizu horse meat generally lacks marbled fat, so the flavor depends on the firmness of the lean slices and the sharp taste of the condiment. A commercial product such as Hayayao's Aizu horse sashimi follows this pattern by pairing frozen lean cuts with mustard miso, which makes it easier to handle in distribution while keeping the regional style of eating centered on texture and controlled heat.